Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Just a quick update today on the electric toilet that I installed a month or so ago, replacing the old manual pump toilet. So it's been a big hit with Anne. Now instead of pumping, she just has to push that button, and the stuff is macerated and whisked away. The only problem during the install was because the port comes out the side like that, I have this big loop of hose to deal with. So they do sell an adapter piece, Jabsco genuine service parts, and it's a 90-degree. So I'll be able to put that on there and then it'll go straight down, then the hose can go straight up, shorten up the hose dramatically, probably make it work a little bit better. So looks like I just have to undo the old piece there, and then there's another piece here that just screws in place, and it should work hopefully with no leaks. Wish me luck. So there's the original, and then that's what's going to replace it. So got the old one out, and it looks like there's a valve in here. I think they call them a choker valve. Kind of a one-way valve. Stuff can go one way but not the other, closes up. So anyway, that'll have to go into the new unit before I screw it on. There we go. It's much tidier now. I think they should just include that with the toilet when they send it to you. You buy like a $800 toilet, they don't include this little like $2 part. Although when you buy it separately, it's like $20 or $30, of course. I picked it up ordered it from Steveston Marine. It's near Vancouver, British Columbia, but I've seen it in various other places. So let's give her a test. Good to go. Till next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Cheers, guys.